Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a summary in English. First, read the original text carefully to fully understand its main idea and purpose. It's crucial to identify the author's key arguments and the overall message they are conveying. As you read, underline or make notes of the most important information, focusing on the core concepts rather than every single detail. This initial step lays the foundation for an effective summary. Once you have a good grasp of the text, the next step is to extract only the key information. This means distinguishing between the main points and any supporting details or examples. Your goal is to focus solely on the core message, leaving out anything that isn't absolutely essential. Often, topic sentences at the beginning of paragraphs can help you identify these crucial pieces of information, making your selection process more efficient. Now it's time to draft your summary. The most important rule here is to write everything in your own words, completely avoiding direct quotes from the original text. You must accurately maintain the original meaning and tone, ensuring you don't misrepresent the author's message. Aim for conciseness. A good summary is typically 1/4 to 1/3 the length of the original, capturing the essence without unnecessary detail. Finally, the crucial step of reviewing and refining your summary. Read through your draft carefully, checking for clarity, conciseness, and any grammatical errors. It's vital to verify that all essential points from the original text are included and accurately represented. Also, ensure your summary flows logically from one idea to the next, making it easy for any reader to understand the core message without confusion. A polished summary is always the goal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.